1,500 years of chess. Our goal was to take one of the oldest mind games and create a set of uniquely crafted glass pieces that pay homage, but also add a new dimension to this iconic classic game. Over a year ago, it all started with an idea and a few sketches, and quickly turned into an obsession that would see our old school approach of glassmaking combined with an appreciation of modern technology to make a chess set that is a piece of art as much as it is a party icebreaker. We were ruthless in the engineering of each piece to add intricate details on the glass while ensuring they are durable, so you don't have to worry about dropping them. This is a set that you will want to proudly display on your office desk, living room, or games room. We assure you that it will not go unnoticed. The Glass Knights are also a collection of the most refined shot glasses ever that you can use to create a twist and a completely new playing experience. Or simply flip the board over and you have a tray of unique glass shots for your next party. Heck, you have a bar? Then introduce the Glass Knight Shot Round. It also makes for one-of-a-kind corporate gift. And we have designed the Glass Knights with kids in mind too. They can place inside whatever treats they want. Sweets, fruits, peanuts. It's their move. And when you want to cool down during the summer, use the included specially designed trays to create ice cubes matching the chess pieces. For those of you who want to elevate your game even further, you can now also upgrade to the wooden, glow-in-the-dark board for the ultimate experience. Now, it's your turn to make a decisive move and team up with us to create your glass chess masterpiece.